You know, this isn't gonna have a happy ending. If we catch John Doe and he turns out to be the devil, I mean, if he's Satan himself, that might live up to our expectations. He's not the devil. He's just a man.
See, you bitch and you complain and you tell me these things, if you think you're preparing me for hard times, thank you, but...
But you gotta be a hero. Well, let me tell you, people don't want a champion. They want to eat cheeseburgers, play the lotto, and watch television.
Hey, how did you get like this? I want to know.
There wasn't one thing, I can tell you that. I just don't think I can continue to live in a place that embraces and nurtures apathy as if it was a virtue.
You know different, you know better.
I didn't say I was different or better. I'm not. I sympathize completely. Apathy is a solution. I mean, it's easier to lose yourself in drugs than it is to cope with life. It's easier to steal what you want than it is to earn it. Love costs, it takes effort and work.
We are talking about people who are mentally ill. We are talking about people fucking crazies.
No,
yes.
We're not. No.
Today.
We're talking about everyday life here. You can't afford to be this naive.
You say that the problem with people is that they don't care.
You care.
Damn right.
And you're gonna make a difference.
Whatever. The point is, I don't think you're quitting because you believe these things you say. I don't. I think you want to believe them because you're quitting. You want me to agree with you and you want me to say, yeah, you're right. It's all fucked up. It's a fucking mess. We should all go live in a fucking log cabin. But I won't. I won't say that. I don't agree with you. I do not. I can't.
What a disconcerting lack of faith in your fellow man, Mr. A.
Yes, and you display a dangerous excess of faith in your fellow man.